Some foreigners say Filipinas in 2026 are not as traditional as before. Do you agree or disagree? Do you believe independence makes a woman less focused on family life?
We cannot deny that a lot of men has fragile masculinity.
If someone says Filipinos are ruined now, what would you say to them? What's your name and how old are you?
I am Susain and I am 19 years old.
So then, some foreigners say Filipinas in 2026 are not as traditional as before. Do you agree or disagree?
In terms of Filipinos not being so, I can you repeat the question? In this modern generation, Filipinos are not that traditionally formal. Um, and I do agree with that. We are changing and cultivating in our society, and we are improving in a good way and maybe in a bad way also.
Do you believe independence makes a woman less focused on family life?
I don't think so that independence makes a woman more focused on less focused. I don't think so. I don't think so. An independent woman can be still focused in her family, even she is independent. A lot of independent parent nowadays, especially the solo parent, especially the solo moms, are doing great in um, providing and making their children grow and make providing them a good life nowadays.
Do you think being a housewife is outdated in 2026? Piling ka lang bis camera.
It's not so outdated since more some women are still housewife nowadays since their husband can still provide for the family. However, on some it depends on their situation since they can be a housewife in their own choice. However, they can still provide for their family.
Okay, last question. Okay, ano no, not last but okay. Do you think men struggle to adjust to stronger, more outspoken women?
Yes. It often breaks their ego sometimes, I believe, since they believe that they are more capable of doing things for their wives.
If someone says Filipinas are ruined now, what would you say to them?
I don't think Filipinos are ruined nowadays. We are being more strong in terms of being independent in our society and even as a person.
So not ruined. Not ruined. Okay. What are you studying, Beth?
So I'm studying psychology.
What's your name and how old are you?
I am Jam. I am 20 years old.
Do you believe independence makes a woman less focused on family life?
No, because independence make the woman very focused in life because they somehow confidently want to stay independent for them to provide themselves, not only themselves but also their family.
Do you think being a housewife is outdated in 2026?
I think no, because being a housewife is not um, outdated because it is a responsibility for the wife to be responsible in the house.
Do you think men struggle to adjust to stronger, more outspoken women?
Yes, because they don't know what the woman thinking, and they don't know what to do when the woman is not that focusing them and talking to them um
If someone says Filipinas are ruined now, what would you say to them?
it's not really ruined. Some women and Filipinas ruined because of some men that hurt them, and it also makes them um, lose their self respect to themselves. So that some are thinking they are ruined, but they are not. Some men or problems ruined them.
You're 20 years old. What are you taking, babe? What are you studying?
I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
What's your name and how old are you?
I'm Bianca and I'm 19 years old.
Bianca, some foreigners say Filipinas in 2026 are not as traditional as before. Do you agree or disagree?
I agree with it po kasi because in the past they say that women should always stay at home and women wasn't allowed to like speak up like that, but now we can see that women are able to speak up for themselves and be confident, and they are given more freedom than before, and we as women accepted that because that's what we've been fighting for since long ago, for freedom. Yes.
For freedom. Okay. Okay. Do you believe independence makes a woman less focused on family life?
No, I don't think so. For me, freedom isn't about um, like chaining someone to this and that. Freedom lets us be who we are, and with freedom we can do whatever we want. So if the woman doesn't want to do it, then it's on her, given with freedom or not.
So you don't believe that, like, let's say if the woman, if the Filipina is working like 6 days a week, Sunday is off, like how many hours it's the minimum like of someone who's working here in the Philippines? 10 hours a day?
So it's 8 hours a day for
8 hours.
a whole shift.
8 hours. Okay. So if a woman, a wife, is working 6 days a week, do you think she has enough time to take care of her family?
I think that when you go into marriage and have kids, I think that the responsibility should be on both the man and the woman. So it I think it doesn't matter if the woman has a job or not, because yeah, the responsibility should be between the two of them.
Do you think being a housewife is outdated in 2026?
No, I don't think so. Because being a housewife is also a big responsibility. It's as big as having a job. Because being a housewife isn't just a housewife. It's also like a job which you which you should commit to.
How about you? Like in the future, when you're ready to settle down, to get married, to have a family, would you rather be a housewife or like a wife working?
I'd rather be a working wife because for myself, I would love to have a job that has an income so that I can support myself and also my family.
Do you think men struggle to adjust to stronger, more outspoken women?
I think so because we cannot deny that a lot of men has fragile masculinity, which they are more intimidated by women who are empowered, who have work. They are more drawn towards the typical women.
If someone says Filipinas are ruined now, what would you say to them?
I think that it doesn't just apply to the Philippines. The the con the conservative ways in which we live doesn't just apply to the Philippines but also the other countries. We can see that it is evident also in other countries that traditional women are becoming less.
And they're becoming more modernized.
Yes.
How about you? Are you traditional or modern Filipina?
Now I'm more of a modern one because I'm a working student now, and I can see that I want to be empowered by working.
What are you studying?
I'm studying humanities and social science.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is Daisy. I'm 21 years old.
That's a very beautiful name, Daisy. Do you believe independence makes a woman less focused on family life?
No, actually. Um, independency is real. Like all of us are. It's really really important. But of course, we've been as women, we've been doing that kind of attitude or value for us to grow. And once we grow, of course, we will think of our family, of our relatives who loves us, who takes care of us ever since we were little. Since we were dependent, not independent. Of course, our parents, our family will always think of our future. So of course, it will grow us as an independent woman. So of us, naman, like us Filipinos, we will not actually remove that kind of culture like family. The word family in Filipinos is very very important, especially as women.
Do you think being a housewife is outdated in 2026?
Hmm, kind of, kind of, because actually um right now, as we've all seen, everything is equal. Everyone is working, not just men, but also women. They're also standing up for themselves, not just the husband, also the wife. So it's kind of outdated, I guess. But I think it's always the decision of the woman, not just the man, but also the woman, if they will be a housewife.
What's your thought about it? Is it a good thing that being a housewife is outdated now?
Mm, um, I kind of for me, because I think, of course, someone needs to take care of the children, of course. But sometimes it's kind of like we need to like kind of twist something right now, because and life is not that really easy, right? It's very very difficult. So everyone should be working so that everyone will have a better life.
Okay, do you think men struggle to adjust to stronger, more outspoken women?
Maybe. For me, maybe. Because sometimes men, they prefer a woman who doesn't speak, right? Who doesn't speak, or who doesn't want to hear their opinions, which is kind of like it's not really that good. Because if us women are not really given the chance to spoke up, what about like what's our life for actually? So of course, men will always choose the woman who's kind of weak. But of course, women, all of the women who are watching, please don't even try men to step on you or step onto your future or to yourself. Always have respect to yourself.
If someone says Filipinos are ruined now, what would you say to them?
I don't think we're ruined. We're always going to be on the top. We will always strive for everything um that will make us feel on the top. We will always going to do what's best and do what's right. And that's Filipinos. We have a lot of cultures that would always be that will always give us to the top. So I don't think it's not going to happen that Filipinos are ruined this year or onto the future.
You're still studying, Beb?
Yes, I am.
What are you studying?
I am a tourism management student.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your honesty and your time. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription, and also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye.
protection.